I still can't believe that this is only I still don't know how I got so lucky with the place that we have found here in Krabi. We've been living here for a month now, and we had wanted a place where we could nest and bring in our baby and just like have a normal, nice home. When we posted on the Facebook groups, we were not expecting this.
At all. But since we're here, we have just signed a 3-month lease, and I guess we're just gonna start in the bedroom. And speaking of, this is the Nook that we're sitting in the bedroom, and it has a beautiful view of the outside, but still not the best view in the house.
Okay, so starting off in the bedroom Nook, as you can see, we have this giant piece of balcony here that actually is locked. Opens! It opens and it has a view of the ocean and just like the pretty palm trees, and in the morning it lights up the bed so nice. And Daniel and I love waking up to natural light, and it's just, oh.
And it wouldn't be complete if we didn't have a really big bed for us to sleep on. To be fair, I don't know, for us, we walked in and obviously we're used to living in closets. So it was like, oh, the bed looks a little smaller than usual. No, it's just the room is that big.
Yeah, and honestly, the bed is so soft. Like, I think Daniel has just told you this, but like, we're used to living in like dungeony sort of places, or places that are like the size of our bathroom that we're about to take you in. Ugh. Pregnancy slowed me down like by 10%, y'all, sorry. Okay. Da, 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 da. Look at this bathroom. I love having bathtubs, and look at this. This could be my bed. Can you imagine when the baby's born and we're like having a shared bath time? Daniel can be here, baby Chase for Adventure can be here, and everybody has space. Okay. Thank you. Oh, about to pop here, y'all. About to pop. And then, look at this bathtub that I can dance in, cause it's so big. Oh.
When did a bathtub have glass doors?
A shower. You know what? Look at the sink. The sink is like my arm span. Daniel and I were both brushing our teeth here yesterday, and nobody bumped into each other. Nobody elbowed one another. We were basically having a conversation after the shower, and we're like, this is the most space in a bathroom we have ever had in our lives.
All right, and from the master bathroom, you can actually get into the second bedroom, but we're gonna breeze over this because it's pretty much just storage space for us.
Yeah, we use it, we call it the decorative door.
The decorative door.
But family, wink wink, nudge nudge, this will be your lair. Mom and Dad's, we'll put these beds together. Y'all can sleep here. There's a closet. There's some good natural light. Come to Thailand. Visit us. Visit your grandbaby. No shade thrown. Oh, hello there. Well, right next to the guest bedroom is actually the entrance to the house, which then opens up to the beautiful dining area that seats a whole bunch of people. I think this is 8. I don't even know 8 people in Thailand to invite to my house right now, but we have space for 8 people. This is also like our desk space, and it also has more crazy views. And y'all, I still can't believe that this is only $500. Oh, but this isn't even the best view of the house. So let's backtrack.
But before we actually get to the best view of the house, we have to show you like a little bit more of the boring stuff. So let's make our way to the kitchen, and then we'll get to the view.
So here we have, actually, kitchen number 1. I've actually lived in more places without a kitchen than I've lived in places with 2 kitchens. So this is the first one, which is really like our coffee area, our make cereal in the morning area, our refrigerator area, our pantry. And then we actually have
our main kitchen, and a big reason that we were excited for the kitchen to be outdoors is because we don't like smelling up the house. Over here we have plenty of counter space with all the utensils we need, and we have a gas stove. But this wraps around to the outside and you get a view. Ta-da!
But now that we've teased you guys enough, it's time for the main event. Follow me. And this right here, guys, is my favorite part of the whole house, which is our living room. And actually, apart from being just a regular living room with like couches and a coffee table and another little table, the apartment actually, well, condo, house, whatever you want to call this, has an Apple TV. We have our Nintendo Switch connected. But when you turn around, look at what we can do while watching TV. Sitting here, I am still baffled and so grateful. I don't know what we did in life to deserve a place like this. I never in my life imagined that we'd be living in a house and we'd be welcoming our first child in a home like this. And to think that, you know, in just a couple months, I'll be sitting on the couch, nursing the baby, staring at the ocean. The struggle.
So along with the view, something that's really cool is actually a feature of the condo. But rather than just talk about it, I have to show you. Okay, let's start. Oh, did it? Nope. I'm still learning. Yep, there we go. So you can push the entirety of these two walls together and get full open outside access. Still makes me a little nervous doing this, but ooh, I'm only gonna do the one side. Or I guess I'll do them both. I don't think we'll be doing this all of the time just because of how difficult it is. And it gets pretty steamy up here. But for the times where it's really nice, we can just walk on out and hang out on our balcony. We have some seating and the kitchen's just back there so we can just cook and immediately come sit outside and enjoy this. And we have our lounge chairs with this view. Man.
So all that to say, again, I don't know what we did to deserve this. We feel beyond lucky and so grateful to have a home like this. And look, it's like,
She disappeared somewhere over there. Oh, where are you?
I can see the ocean from my bedroom. What?
Well, on that note, thank you so much for joining us on our little condo tour here in Thailand. It feels like we are living in a style of luxury that we didn't know existed for this price point. So if you are in Thailand, make sure you stay on the Facebook groups and you look out for apartments or condos like this, or villas with pools for the same price. But anyways, we will see you on the next adventure. Make sure that you give this video a like, hit the subscribe button.
And also, if you're wondering how we found an apartment like this for as cheap as we did, we actually have a course called Worker to Wonder where we teach you how to become a digital nomad and we teach you how we find places like this, which is crazy. So link below.
Yep, click the link below. I'll go ahead and add the link to the screen, and as the end screens start popping up, make sure you click on to one of those other adventures, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.